Hi, let's take a closer look at proportions of whole body and some of its parts. It will be convenient to choose a measure unit to use it in our counting. First, we divided place for height of our figure in 3 equal parts with horizontal lines, 3/3. In my opinion, it is too big. But when we divided upper third on shoulder level in 2 halves, I propose to take this size as a measure unit because we used it many times in many places. Let's name this measure unit shoulders, or S. Now let's make a list of 1S sizes in our figure. First, of course, it is width of shoulders and height of head with neck. Then it is height of chest cage and length of upper arm. 1 shoulders is length of forearm and diameter of hip circle is 1S. Length of the legs is 3S in height. We didn't include feet in our framework to have opportunity to modify them without changing all proportions. For example, we can draw shoes on high heels. Let's consider proportions of head with neck. All the details will be half or quarter of 1S in size. Skull brain case is half of 1S in diameter and we add 1/4 down for lower jaw. The neck is quarter in width and quarter in height in front view. From back side the neck begins from the brain case and is 1/2 in height. Eyes are in middle quarter of the head, so are ears. Let's take a closer look at main proportions of a hand. Hand is divided into halves on the level of finger bases. Finger part of hand is divided in 2/4 on the level of the middle joint. Here we take into account the middle finger. Base joint of the thumb divides palm in 2/4. Tip of the thumb goes little farther, 1/4. Length of hand is more than half of forearm in stretched position. But normally hand is bended, so we can draw its length as a half of forearm. And one final question. Where is location of the knee bend on the leg? To find it, we prolong inner line of calf up to thigh line. We make it in one smooth curve. This line will cross inner bend under knee in 2 points. Top point shows us level of knee bend. Shadows under kneecaps are little lower of this level. So, now you can start practice fashion figure sketching on your own. After some time of training, figure sketching will convert into pleasure, and you'll be able to draw working sketches to depict your ideas quick and easy. I wish happy sketching to you. Bye bye.